Evening, everyone. Welcome back with the second puzzle. In this puzzle page, the puzzle page of the Saturday edition, Saturday, May the 11th, 2024. In this puzzle page, I've already solved one puzzle, the 4-star Sudoku, so 3 puzzles are left. The Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, one of these binaries. I think I will do the binary with 4 stars. But you are interested in this one, the Killer Sudoku here. Killer Sudoku number. This will be number 8514. And for Killer Sudoku, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus in additional, it will be a 3 stars puzzle. Alright, we have 4 given numbers here. The 8 in this triple box of 19, that means that those two boxes together should be 11. 11 plus 8 is equal to 19. This triple box of 15, we have a given number 8, that means that those two boxes together should be a 7. 7 plus 8 is equal to 15. And in this triple box of 16, we have a given number 4, that means that those two boxes together should be 12. 12 plus 4 is equal to 16. And we have a triple box of 16 again with a given number 9. That means that those two boxes together should be 7. 7 plus 9 is equal to 16. All right, let's get started. My first strategy is to look for a big square. We have 9 big squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm looking for a big square with 1 sharing box. This big square has 1, 2, 3 sharing boxes. This one has 1, 2, 3 sharing boxes. This one has 1, 2, 3 sharing boxes. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 5. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. So it will be difficult. Will be difficult. Well. 797. My next strategy is to look for boxes with only one combination. We have a box here of 3. The only combination for the box of 3 is 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1. We have a box of 16. Only combination here will be 9 plus 7, 9 plus 7. 7, 10, 9, 14, 13, 11, 5, 7, 12. Box of 3, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1. 11, 12. 16, box of 16, 9 plus 7, 9 plus 7. Here. Let me see, 7, 13, and the box of 17, 9 plus 8, 9 plus 8, we have an 8 in the second row, no 8 there, 8 should be here, 9 goes there, 7, well, in the last column, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. I cannot place the 7 in the box of 5. Cannot place the 7 in the box of 7. So it should be here in the box of 12. Combination 7 and a 5. 7 and a 5. Okay. So 2 numbers left. 1, 2, 3 is missing. And the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. Well, I cannot place the 6 here in the box of 5, of course. So the 6 should be here. And the 3 goes there. In the box of 5, the combination will be 3 plus 2. In the box of 7, the combination will be 6 plus 1. 1 plus 9 plus 6 is equal to 16. Alright. Then, let me see. There are 2... my next strategy is to look for boxes with 2 combinations. The box of 5 has 2 combinations, 1 plus 4 and 2 plus 3. Well, the 1 is already used in this big square, so I cannot place the 1 and the 4 here. So it must be 2 and a 3, 2 and 3. So 2 numbers left in this big square, the 1, the 2 and 3. 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7 and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Okay. Suppose this box is a 4, then that box should be a 7. Suppose this box should be an 8, then that box should be a 3. Same for here. Same 7 and a 3. Okay. 9, 9. Need an 8. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here, or there. I cannot place this 8 in the box of 7, of course. So the 8 should be in the box of 13. Combination 8 and a 5. 8 and a 5. Okay. Let me look for boxes with 2 combinations. Here, the box of 14. There are 2 combinations for the box of 14. 9 plus 5 and 8 plus 6. Well, the 8 is already used, so I cannot place the 8 and the 6 here. So it should be 9 and a 5 here. 9 and 5, well, now we have a 9 here. That means that this box cannot be a 9 anymore. That box should be a 9. This box should be a 7 then. Alright. 9 and a 5, we have a 9 now in the middle row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes in there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left, 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. In the box of 11, combination will be 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. 2 and a 1, we have a 2 now in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Alright. Okay. Well. 5, 5, 5, 8, 8, 8. Need a 9 here. Well, we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row. 9 in the row above, so that row. Only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. So the 9 should be in the box of 14. Combination 9 and a 5. 9 and a 5. So we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So this box can be a 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. This box should be a 7 then. 4 plus 7 is 11. 11 plus 5 is equal to 16. So we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 5 in a row below, so last row. Only place left for 5 should be here in the box of 9. The combination will be 5 plus 4. One of the missing number in this row is the number 8, the last row. Well, the 8 should be in the box of 11. Combination 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3. That means we have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So this box can be 3 anymore. This box should be a 2. And that box should be a 3 then. Alright. Then. Let me see. Need a 7 here. Need a 6. 1, 2. Well, in this big square, we have 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 2. Well, the 1 and the 2, I cannot place the 1 and the 2 in the box of 13. Otherwise, the combination will be 1 plus 12. And the other should be 2 plus 11. Well, those numbers, 11 and 12, is not allowed. Highest number I can use is number 9. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1 and the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 and the 7 are missing. 6 and the 7. Okay. Suppose this box is a 1, then that box should be a 6. Suppose this box should be a 2, that box should be a 5. Here for the 10, suppose this box should be a 1, then this box should be a 9. Well, we already have a 9 here, so it can be 1 here. Should be a 2 then. That box should be a 1. Combination here, 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. Here the combination 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. 2 and 1, we have a 1 now in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. The last 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 3 and a 4. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. Alright, 9 and a 7, we have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 7 goes there. So we have a 9 in this column, first column, 9 in the second column, so the third column. Only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. Cannot place the 9 in the box of 7, of course, so the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the second row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. In the box of 10, the combination will be 9 plus 1. Alright. Then the 9 in this row, the 9 in the second row, so the third row, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. I cannot place the 9 in the box of 9, of course, otherwise the combination will be 9 plus 0. 0 is not allowed. The lowest number I can use is number 1. So the only place left for 9 in the third row should be here. In the box of 10, the combination will be 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. So we have 1 in this row, third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for 1 should be there. In the box of 7, the combination here will be 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. 2 numbers left now in this row. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 7 in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. So we have a 4 in this column, 4 in the second column, so the third column. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. In the box of 7, the combination will be 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. 1 box left in this column for number 1. The 2 is missing. In the box of 7, the combination here will be 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. 7 and 3, we have a 3 now in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 7 goes there. In the box of 11, the combination here will be 3 plus 8. In the box of 11 here should be 7 plus 4. Alright. Okay. 9 and a 5, we have a 9 now. In this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Well. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column, so in the first column the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. In the box of 7, the combination will be 1 plus 6, 1 plus 6. So 1 number left now in this big square. Other numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. In the box of 9, the combination will be 3 plus 6. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. Let me mark those. Okay. So we have 8 in this row, third row, 8. Oh, no, 8 and a 5. Yeah, 8 and a 5. We already have a 5 in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. One of the missing number in this row is number 8. Yeah. 8 could be here, could be there. 8 in this column, last column, 8 in the column next. On that column, the only place left 8 should be there. In the box of 12, combination will be 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. Then, let me see. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing, 6 is missing, 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 1 and a 6, we have a 6 in the middle row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 1 goes there. So we have 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 1 goes together with the 8 as a pair. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 and 3, we have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Yeah. 1 number left in this column. For number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing here. In the box of 11, the combination will be 5 plus 6. 7 and a 6. We have a 6 now in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 7 goes there. 1 box left now in the middle row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 6 in the middle column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 7 goes there. So we have 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left, the 7 should be here or there. I cannot place the 7 in the box of 7, of course. So it should be here in the box of 9. The combination here will be 7 plus 2. 2 to 5, we have 2 now in the third row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 plus 8 is 10, plus 5 is equal to 15. Two numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 in the middle column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing, 4 and a 7. 4 plus 7 is equal to 11. We have a 7 in the third row, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 4 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Well. 3 stars? No, Libby gives us a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes. A little bit longer than 50 minutes. Otherwise, it will be a 1-star puzzle. But we solved it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solve myself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.